Hello and welcome back to Hype Tech Picks. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best benchtop planers on the market, carefully selected based on expert recommendations and top-selling rankings. For the most up-to-date prices on each item, be sure to check the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump in. Number 1. Dewalt DW735X. First up, the Dewalt DW735X, the Godzilla of benchtop planers. This thing doesn't just plane wood, it dominates it. With a 15-amp motor roaring at 20,000 RPM, it chews through the toughest hardwoods like they're balsa. The 3-knife cutter head spins at 10,000 RPM, giving you a finish so smooth, you'll want to frame it. And here's the kicker. Those blades last 30% longer than competitors, so you're not constantly playing replace the knife mid-project. Switch between 96 or 179 cuts per inch with the 2-speed gearbox, go full timber terminator for fast stock removal, or dial it down for a finish so pristine it'll make your sandpaper jealous. The fan-assisted chip ejection blasts sawdust into your vacuum like a leaf blower on espresso, keeping your workspace cleaner than a surgeon's table. Stability? Oh yeah, the cast aluminum base is twice as rigid as cheaper models, and folding tables handle 20-foot boards without breaking a sweat. Automatic carriage lock? Check. Oversized depth gauge? Double check. This planer's so good, it's basically showing off. Number 2. Craftsman CMEW 320. Next, the Craftsman CMEW 320, your wallet's new BFF. Don't let the price tag fool you. This planer punches way above its weight class. The 15-amp motor tackles hardwoods and softwoods alike, while the Poly-V drive system grips boards like a wrestler in a title match. The double-edged reversible blades mean you get twice the cutting life before needing replacements. Perfect for weekend warriors who'd rather build than tinker. Dust collection? There's a vacuum port that hoovers up chips faster than a Roomba at a glitter factory. It's not flashy, but it's reliable AF. Whether you're flattening tabletops or prepping stock for your next Etsy masterpiece, this planer's the set it and forget it MVP of your shop. Number 3. Dewalt DW734. Taking the bronze, the Dewalt DW734. Little brother to our number 1 pick, but still a total rock star. Same 15-amp muscle, same 3-knife cutter head, but in a slightly more compact package. The 2-speed gearbox lets you choose between rip through it and silky smooth modes, while the fan-powered chip ejection keeps your shop from looking like a sawdust snow globe. The 19.75-inch cast aluminum base laughs at vibrations, and folding tables make handling long boards a breeze. Need to lock the carriage? It's automatic, baby. This planer's perfect for pros who need reliability on the job site or hobbyists who dream of opening an Etsy store called Smooth AF Wood Co. Number 4. Vevor 13-inch Planer. At number 4, the Vevor 13-inch Planer, a budget beast that acts like it costs twice as much. This bad boy handles boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide. Perfect for door frames, tabletops, or that live edge slab you've been eyeing at the lumber yard. The dual-speed feed system, 24 feet per minute for speed, 15 feet per minute for perfection, adapts to your project like a chameleon in a Skittles factory. The HRC 55-60 hardened steel blades slice through wood like a samurai, and the cast iron bed keeps everything flat and stable. Plus, the 20A overcurrent protector means you won't fry this thing even if you try. For small shops or DIYers craving pro results without pro prices, Vevor's your new secret weapon. Number 5. Wen 6530. Rounding out our list, the Wen 6530, the 2-for-1 special of the woodworking world. Part planer, part sander, this gadget's got a 4x36-inch belt and 6x6-inch disc sander for when you need to smooth edges, shape curves, or prep surfaces. Tilt the belt up to 90 degrees for bevels that'll make your miter saw jealous. The 4.3 amp motor hums at 3,600 RPM. Enough power for light planing and finish work. It's not gonna thickness a 2x4, but for sanding chair legs or smoothing cutting boards, chef's kiss. Plus, it's part of Wen's 20-volt max battery system, so you can go cordless and ditch the outlet drama. Perfect for cramped workshops or crafters who want versatility without a toolbox takeover. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best benchtop planers, carefully selected from expert reviews and bestseller rankings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech picks. For updated pricing and more info, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks, and we'll see you in the next video.